Hello everyone, welcome to Cherub Teaching Center. My name is Poonam and I'm a Microsoft certified educator. In today's episode of Excel, I will be training you on watch window. This watch window, people, it's a very important and very good feature in Excel sheet that we have, which can be a solution to maximum of your problem. So let me tell you first of all a little bit of overview what watch window is all about. In watch window, what happens is, as the name suggests, this particular window or a pop-up is going to watch some of the important parameters that you would like to put it on an Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm going to open up an Excel sheet in front of you, and there is a hypothetical data that I have created for you people to understand how exactly this watch window works and how you people can go about it. So people, this is a hypothetical data that I have generated, and that's what I'm going to take you today. So this is a hypothetical data for the sales of the cars, how much were the units which were sold, and how much is the revenue or the total revenue which is generated. Now what happens normally is, when we work on an Excel sheet, the data is huge, and sometime what we want is that we should be putting a certain parameter on it, so that if I'm trying to look for one particular aspect, that should be clear there in front of me. I don't have to scroll about in the sheets altogether, and that is what the watch window is all about. So this watch window you can apply on any function of yours wherever you people have put up a formula. Okay, and I'm going to tell you two different functions. As I've said, that this thing that you people are seeing in front of you, this is a sales report, hypothetical sales report, and the second sheet that I've generated for you today is in relation to the scores, and that's what I'm going to tell you people today. So this is a very short data. As I'm saying, that normally when we work in the corporate sector, even in case if I'm talking about whenever you people are working on a data, the data is huge, and that's what it is going to be solution for it. Now people, when I'm seeing this report as such, I have to scroll, from left to right. For example, if I want to see how much is the cost of the unit per in INR, and how much were the total units sold, and how much was the total unit revenue that was generated, I have to scroll across the Excel sheet. And normally what exactly is going to happen is, as I've stated, I have to scroll about, and then the data I am looking forward to it. But what if, so as of now there are only 1 2 3 4 5 6 entries there in front of you, but what if if it's near about more than 100 plus entries there in front of you, and I would like to quickly look on the data how exactly it is going about. So that's what we will be using the watch window for. We are going to apply the function of watch window. There would be a window which would come up in front of you, a pop-up window. That window will tell us the thing that we are actually looking forward to. Okay, so let's learn how exactly we have to use the watch window. And as I've said, let's say that I'm looking for the total revenue in this Excel sheet, but I don't want that I should be scrolling about it. So the moment I open up this window, the thing should be there, the result should be there in front of me. So what exactly I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my cursor to the total revenue section over here, and the moment I'm going to take my revenue, so either you can apply this function on the full window over here, or you can apply this function on a specific cell as well. I will go about with the specific cell. Okay, so let's suppose that Maruti Suzuki Dzire is one such car which needs attention. As per me, as per the data of my company, I have to track the sales very closely, very minutely. So I would like to apply the watch window on Maruti Suzuki sales specifically. Okay, so I'm going to click on this cell of the total revenue, and it's the total revenue that I would like to apply this function on. And then what I have to do is, from the tabs above, I have to click on the formula. Under formula, I have to go for watch window. Okay, and the moment people I'm going to go with watch window, what exactly I have to do is, though I've already applied this function over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to click on add watch. Okay, and then I'm going to click on that specific cell, and the moment you click on that specific cell, you can see that the sheet becomes highlighted, and then we are going to click on add. So the moment we are clicking on add, it is giving me the cell number on which I've applied this function, what is the value, and what is the formula that is being used. Now what is the goodness of using this formula? I'm going to show you just right now. Now let's say if I'm entering over here that in the month of September, if you see over here, as of now, my total, units that were sold, I've written it over here 0. But what if I write down over here 1500 units were sold? So the moment I'm going to, write down over here 1500 units were sold, you can see that the value over here, it changes instantaneously. Okay, all right. And moreover, if I'm going to double click on that, it is going to highlight that specific cell altogether. So this watch window is going to be there, whenever you will be accessing this sheet. If you don't need it, you can close it out, and if you need it, you can click on the watch window once again and it would pop up there in front of you. Now, in this Excel spreadsheet of mine, I have two separate sheets. One is the sales report that you people are seeing in front of you, and the second one is the test scores. Okay, so I have the names of the candidate, I have the test score, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, and then I have the sum, or which is the sum of all the test scores which the people or the person has appeared for. And if I would like to calculate it roughly, exactly how much should the test score 5 should be so that the candidate should be able to pass. So what exactly I'm going to do is I'm going to apply, the watch window over here, so that I should have an idea, and when I'm closing my feedback with the student, I should be able to tell him that he has to do this much of hard score in order to, achieve these many scores in order to pass a specific test. Okay, or a specific class. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the sum function, then I'm going to apply the watch window. The same watch window can be applied on n number of sheets in one spreadsheet or two different spreadsheet as well. I'm going to click on add watch. I've already clicked the cell on which I would like to apply, and then I've clicked on add. Okay, so as of now it is coming 53. So let's say in case if the candidate has to achieve score of 70, I would be changing my value over here, and then you can see that the value over here or the sum changes automatically. So I would be able to close my feedback, and the moment I would be clicking on this specific function, it is going to take me over there. So the moment if I'm on sheet 1 as well, people, and I'm double clicking on the watch window on the second, it will take me to that specific sheet. So this window is keeping a watch on the specific entries that you would like to be highlighted, so that you should get an instantaneous report, and that is what the watch window in the Excel it is used for. And as I've already stated, you can apply this watch window either on a specific cell, or you can apply it on a particular column as well. If you want to apply on a particular column, you can highlight that, you can click on watch window, then you can click on add. The entire row or the column is going to be shortlisted over here, where you people can go about it. Okay, so in case as of now, just for the practice purpose, I have generated two sheets as of now. But if in one spreadsheet you have many sheets or many sheet tabs as well, and you would like that this particular entry it needs attention which needs to be highlighted, you can click on that specific column and it will give you a report that way, and it is going to keep an eye, it is going to keep a watch on your specific entries which need specific attention also. So you can use this watch window over there. Okay, so please ensure when you're using the watch window, you may use this function, which is going to be very beneficial in keeping an eye on the things which needs attention. And every time I would be clicking on this watch window, that thing is going to be there in front of me. I can simply click on that and it will take me to that specific sheet in an Excel sheet also. Okay, so I would request you people to go ahead today and use this specific function in order to understand how you can go about the watch window utilization. So those viewers who are watching my channel and who have not subscribed to my channel yet, I would request you to please quickly go ahead, subscribe to Cherub Teaching Center. There are more things that are coming up your way, and in case of any doubts or queries, you can reach me on my Instagram ID, which is cherub.teaching.center. You can also reach me on my Facebook ID, which is Cherub Teaching Center, or on the Microsoft Teams, which is Cherubians. And the link of all these three social media is given in the description of the video. Thank you very much, people, and have a nice day ahead.